Hello there YouTube, we are back with Little Rideout.
Hello.
We are going today, we're just going to go for a little ride out with Little Rideout. We're going to go over to Fleetwood and then do the coastal path through Blackpool, through Lytham and back round again. It's a bit of a trip, well, there's nothing to do and it's a nice day, aren't we? Go exploring, might even treat you to a chippy on the beach. No more motorway. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my god, I can hear again. Thought I'd gone deaf.
Yeah?
Bloody hell. Can you smell that cow shit?
Yeah.
I've gone quite cold after that motorway ride. Have you?
Yeah.
Are you glad you put that neck warmer on?
Yeah.
Oh, one of our friends is behind us.
Really?
Hi friend! We're now in a motorbike group! Are you excited?
Yeah.
We have friends! Oh, they're leaving me. Where you going, friend? Oh, no, 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 no! I'm coming! Oh my god! They were my best friends as well.
You need to catch up to them.
You like that. Are you going to be a speeder when you get older? Hi friends! Which way do you think? Right, is that going to be to the T? No? Oh no, we're going into a school here. Oh bloody hell! What the bloody hell are we doing?
That's all.
Yeah, don't want to be here.
I don't want to be going to school.
Wrong way. Just trying to find the sea. Could have dropped you off. You can start making some new friends at that one instead.
No.
Somebody on a boat there.
Oh yeah?
Must be bloody mad, I mean it's freezing. At least we've got big coats and gloves on.
I wasn't even holding on then, I nearly fell off.
You didn't nearly fall off.
I did.
You just slid into me. Did you not know what was happening then?
No.
Oh, that tickled me. Did it scare you?
Yeah.
I thought it was funny.
I'm gonna hold on again now.
It's just because I had to stop quick. Look at the tower.
Oh yeah? Didn't even notice it was there.
You remember standing right up there looking down?
Yeah. That was scary.
I can see the tower. Oh, what's that? Corvette? Blackpool Amusements, I've never seen that one. Is it a new one?
I think so.
Oh, I think that was the one with all the boards up and that round it when we came last time.
Oh.
Oh, Crispy Coddy's open. How do we get to him? Oh, he isn't, oh. Let's pull up here a minute while I assess the situation. I needs to get...
Bikers.
Is that... oh yeah. Is that a bus stop over there? Oh, a parking space. It's a parking space for taxis, but we can go in front of that van. Because I'm tiny. See that? We're on the road again. All fed up. Nice and warm again. No?
Yep.
Well, I'm not.
I am.
I suppose I'm not as cold as I was. I was divering them while I was waiting for them chips. 8 degrees as well. It's like summer. I don't know what I'm whinging about. Going on the big one. I bet you're too small for that still, aren't you?
What's the big one?
That big ride there in front of you.
Oh my god.
I don't even know if it's open. I don't know if it's closed when it's off season. Doesn't sound very busy, does it?
No.
How many people screaming about now? Believe it or not. Yeah, I think it's shut. Yeah. It's closed because it's off season.
Yeah.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Very.
Go up there and slide down.
No.
Oh, they've got work at this construction, look, just having it fixed.
Oh. Why did it break?
Probably just doing work on it while it's closed.
Oh.
Shit yourself thinking, huh?
Yes. No, I actually am going to hold an all time. It's a good job I had this helmet on.
I needed to stop.
Second time I've not been holding on, I nearly fell off.
It didn't fall off. It
I
just
nearly
slid
did.
forward a bit.
We'll flew forward then.
I think we're allowed on there.
No. This is a pathway.
It's alright. It'll be alright, kiddo.
I'm actually going to hold on this time.
Only in case I need to stop. I'm glad that's worked anyway. The power bank in the phone case, the lead
Yeah.
going to it. It's kept that going all day. That saves me having to buy more batteries for it. That is a bloody genius idea I had. Oh, what have I just done to that arm? I've pulled it. My sore arm.
So can you not move it now?
I don't know, you might be riding home, I'll be on back.
No!
I'll have to teach you. Oh, is it so that petrol's too heavy for me. I don't know what I've done, but it bloody hurts. Right, go on. Oh, it hurts stretching. Are we on?
Yeah.
Oh, it hurts pulling clutching. This is not going to be good. Ouch. Fuck's sake. Ow, 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 ow. What have I just done? Oh, God's sake. Right, at least I know we're not going to run out of petrol anyway. We just might not make it home because we arms. Killing. That's where they make aeroplanes.
Really?
Yeah. They make, in there, they make fighter jets. Do you know, for the army?
Yeah.
They've got them, and there's a special room in there that they've got what's it word? A secret army plane.
Whoa.
That nobody's allowed in. You've got to have special permission to get in there. He's working and doing a lift in there.
Whoa.
And you weren't allowed in. It's got all like black spikes round and everything so that you can't get radars through, and you can't, it's sound dead in the room and everything. It's mad.
Well, cool.
Yeah, they make all fighter jets and stuff to saw in there. Where on earth are we? Oh, there's another boat.
Why are there so many boats?
I don't know, maybe they used to be the sea.
Oh.
Bloody hell. It's put there for decoration. I don't know why. Oh look, there's a tractor in Porsche. You see it?
That thing?
That red tractor inside, yeah.
Oh, that?
Uh-oh, I weren't looking then. Where am I going? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me in. Thanks. I don't even know if this is right way. I am well and truly lost. Motorway signs there though, so I'm guessing that's the way to go. Right, it went quick. Oh, do you like it just accelerating when we go fast?
Pardon?
Do you like it when it's accelerating or something?
I just like it when it's going dead fast. There's an army truck over there.
Oh yeah?
There's other strange things over here.
Bolts in the middle of the city. Well, ambulance is parked up.
Are we near a hospital?
Yeah, it's Wigan Hospital. Are they all on strike again? There's nobody getting sick today.
Wait, the hospital's got on strike.
Yeah, nurses and stuff are going on strike because of pay.
So who's going to look after the poor people?
I don't know. I don't think they're all allowed to go on strike. I just think lots of them go on strike to make it harder for the hospital to work, so that the people who are badly sick, they'll get treated, but other people won't. So So, seeing as though we're nearly home, kiddo, I think we might as well finish the video there, don't we?
Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you like that video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next one. Can't even wave to it, it's just turned off. I don't know why I waved. Bloody hell, fire.